How to make your breast fuller naturally as a woman. So you're welcome back to another video. Here in this video I'm going to discuss on how to make your breast fuller naturally. Ladies, are you looking for natural ways to make your breast look fuller and more attractive without surgeries or chemicals? In this video I will show you simple natural method you can use right at home to support firmer, fuller breasts. Why natural method of making your breast fuller? Your breasts are influenced by hormones like estrogen, skin elasticities, and body fat. Some natural ingredients and massage may stimulate growth, improve tone, and enhance firmness when done consistently. So, the most important thing here is that it should be done consistently. Here are the natural methods to make your breast fuller and firm. 1. Fenugreek paste massage. This massage stimulates estrogen-like activities. Mix ground fenugreek with water to form a paste. Massage in circle, leave for 10 minutes and rinse it. Number 2, have shea butter and vitamin E. Shea butter and vitamin E. This helps to tighten and smoothen the skin. Apply mornings and nights to keep your skin firm. Number 3, olive oil massage. It boosts blood flow and lifts the breast naturally. So use it. Massage in upward motion for 10 to 15 minutes daily. It will help you solve the problem. Number 4, fennel seed tea drinking. Contain natural plant estrogen. Take 1 cup daily, not for pregnant or breastfeeding women. So if you are pregnant or you are breastfeeding, please avoid this drink. Now, please remember this method takes time. Be patient and consistent. Like I said earlier, consistency is the key. Avoid product with steroid or unverified ingredients. Combine with hydrations, good posture, and chest exercise for best result. Our confidence starts with self-care. These natural tips are safe, simple, and designed for women like you. So if you find this video helpful, subscribe to my channel Shuaibu Health Talks for more natural wellness tips tailored for women and men. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.